Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix System UI keeps stopping on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, simply restart your device, as a quick reboot often fixes major system glitches instantly. If that fails, navigate straight to Settings, scroll all the way down and select Apps. Next, tap this menu icon and select Show System Apps and tap OK. Now search for Android System and completely clear the cache. Next, open the Google app on Play Store, tap Uninstall, and Confirm. This rolls back the Google app to its stable factory state without data loss. If the problem still persists, you must factory reset your phone. Before proceeding, ensure you back up all important files, because this entirely wipes your device storage. To reset, go to Settings, select General Management, tap Reset, and choose Factory Reset. So that's basically how you can fix System UI keep stopping on Android. Thanks.